Want to unlock a powerful revenue stream while boosting your client's Wix website? Then let's dive into the Wix Affiliate program and learn how you can earn commissions promoting their awesome platform. First, head over to Wix.com. Affiliates. You'll find all the details about the program and how to apply. Click the Join Now button and fill out the application form. Be sure to provide accurate information about your website or platform where you plan to promote Wix. Once approved, you'll gain access to your Wix affiliate dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Find your unique affiliate link. This link is how Wix tracks the signups you bring in. Now, it's time to promote your client's Wix website and Wix itself. Share your affiliate link across your blog, social media, email, newsletters, wherever your audience hangs out. Remember to highlight the benefits of Wix: its ease of use, stunning templates, and powerful features. To sweeten the deal, focus on the specific needs of your audience. Tailor your messaging to show them how Wix can solve their problems and help them achieve their online goals with the help of your client's website. Back on your dashboard, you can track your performance, see how many people clicked your link, signed up for Wix, and the commissions you've earned. Use this data to refine your strategy and maximize your earnings. Remember, you're not just earning money. You're also helping your client grow their online presence and empowering others to build their dream websites. So, get out there, promote with passion, and let's build a win-win scenario with the Wix Affiliate program.